Good afternoon, everyone. I hope all of you are doing fine. So, basically, in our previous session, we had solved a few questions, right? So, what's our basically aim of today's class? What are we going to do? So, let's see. Yes, it's dividing expressions. We have learned adding expressions, subtracting expressions, multiplying expressions, factorizing expressions. So, our now topic which we are going to cover today is dividing expressions. So, now we are going to divide expressions. This is a very simple topic if you just understand this concept. So, let's see. First is monomial by monomial. So, we are going to divide monomial by a monomial. Now, what do you mean by monomial? Don't tell me that you have forgotten. No. I hope it's with expression with one term. With one term. That means just a one term. So divide 6m to the power 6 by 2m to the power 4. So I will be explaining two methods over here. You can go with any of the methods, okay? So basically I'll be explaining two methods. Yes. So our first method which we are gonna follow is 6m to the power 6 and 2m to the power 4. So what can we do? 6m to the power 6 can be written as 6 into m 6 times we have to multiply because it's to the power 6, right? 3, 4, 5, 6 by 2 into m 4 times we have to multiply. 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to, what I'm going to do, you're gonna just cancel. So we have cancelled basically 4 m's and 2 ones are 2 threes are. So we have even done with the coefficient. So what is the answer? What is remaining? 3 and 2m. So the answer is 3m square. I hope you all understood. Now using the laws of exponents, it's actually a short process. It's not so lengthy. For example, if we have over here 13, so are we gonna write multiply m 13 times and do it? It's gonna be too lengthy, right? So for that we have another method. What is that? Just the coefficients will divide and we'll divide the algebraic factors. Okay, like divide. All right, this is the thing. Now 6 divided by 2 is 3, you all know. Then m divided by 6 by m divided by 4. When the base is same and division sign is there, what do? Yes, we subtract the powers. And when there is this multiplication sign, we add the powers. And when there is a division sign, we subtract the powers. Is equal to 3m to the power 6 minus 4 is 2. This is it. So doesn't it seem too easy? Yes, so whichever process you want to follow, you can do it. So our next task is this. So what you have to do, we have to solve this. So practice makes a man perfect, as I informed you. So I'll be going with the laws of exponent process, and for this sum I'll be explaining both the process. Okay, both the processes, so that it's easy for you all. Whichever process you wanna follow, you can follow. It's great. All right. So here I'll be using the laws of exponents to solve, and here it's the normal method. So 81 into 1 2 3 p 3 times and q1 2 3 4. I hope I should start from a little more. Okay, 81 into, all right, so this itself I'll continue. 4 5 6, just try to understand it. Okay, and it's 27 by 27, ignore this. 27 into p multiplied 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and q 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So just cancel. P and p cancel. P and p cancel. P and p cancel. Okay, there are no p's. So q and q cancelled. Q and q cancelled. Q and q cancelled. 27 ones and 27 threes are the coefficients together, is equal to 3q cube by, what is remaining over here, p cube. So what can we do? This can be done in some, 3q cube p cube minus q. Okay, this it will seem a little bit confusing, so let it remain in this form. That changing it to another thing I'll be explaining, okay, in some other class. So just try to understand that this is the thing. All right, so this is the thing. Did you understand the concept? It's 3q cube by p cube. So by scratching, we have done it. Okay, now another process which I was telling, that is laws of exponents, which is easier. Okay, that is 81 divides 27 coefficients, and then over here p cube divides p to the power 6 and q to the power 6 divides q to the power 3. 81 by 27 is 3. It's p 3 minus 6 is minus 3, and q to the power cube. So over here I hope you can see that it's minus 3. So how it came? The simple thing is that over here you have to just shift this denominator up, and the sign will become minus of the power, and then the thing. That's why I told you that when you go with the laws of exponents, you will be able to convert it into this form also, which is better. Okay, so now the sums which I'll be solving, I'll be going with laws of exponents, only with the process of laws of exponents. So the thing is, minus 36 divides 4, the coefficients, and just the with the same algebraic factors. Divide a3, m to the power 5 divides m square, and n to the power 6 will remain as it is because we cannot divide by anything. So minus 36 divides 4. So 4 nines are, now the sign will be minus, okay, because minus divides plus is minus, okay, so it's minus 9. A to the power 4 divides a to the power 3 is equal to a to the power 1, which is nothing but a. Okay, then m to the power 5 divides m to the power 2, which is m to the power 5 minus 2, which is m to the power 3, and n to the power 6. So we have actually done with our answer. So I hope you enjoyed this session. We learned monomial by monomial. The next session we'll be learning polynomial by monomial, and we'll proceed so on. For now we are done. Thank you.